In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an engaging Coming Soon page on Wix. Let's get started by first logging into your Wix account and heading straight to the editor for your site. Once in the editor, locate the Menu and Pages option located on the left-hand side panel. Click on it to reveal available options. Next up, you need to create a new page for your website. Get this done by clicking on the Add Page option, then you'll be presented with an option to either start with a blank page or choose from one of Wix's attractive Coming Soon or landing page templates. It's your choice, depending on your preference or brand specifics. After creating your page, give it a fitting name, something suggestive, like Coming Soon. This can be done by heading back to Menu and Pages, where you can find the 3 dots next to your new page. Click on it and select Settings to name your page. Next, select the Layouts tab within Settings and make a choice to apply the No Header and Footer layout to your page. This will strip away any excess elements and allow you to focus on the most important information on your Coming Soon page. Now, let's add some flair to your page. Click the Add button to bring in elements that will give your page personality. This could be a dazzling background strip, captivating text, or a subscribe form. Spice up your page's background with an image or video that resonates strongly with your brand identity. As you begin to finalize your Coming Soon page, think about including a compelling headline like Coming Soon. Accompany this headline with a brief but powerful description that leaves your visitors in eager anticipation. Create an avenue for your visitors to stay in touch or be notified when your page goes live by incorporating an email subscribe form. Do you have social media accounts? If yes, add links to these as well to create multiple channels through which your visitors can connect with you. Great, your Coming Soon page is fully set. Let's get it live now. Return to Menu and Pages and select your Coming Soon page as your home page. Do this by clicking the 3 dots again and opt to Set as Homepage. Ensure that it is the first page in the list to set it as the default homepage. Then, remove the new Coming Soon page from your menu for a cleaner look. To do this, go to Settings and under the Page Info tab, you will find an option to Show in Menu. Uncheck this box to take the Coming Soon page off your main menu. Alright, let's get this page out there. Click Publish to make it live for your eager visitors. There you have it. You've successfully created an engaging Coming Soon page on Wix.